So these are the 3 products that I used, and we are ready to go out the door. You see we got a nice fresh face. What's up, y'all? It's your girl MyAnjel, and we are back with another video. But you already knew that because you wouldn't be watching. Thank you so much for all of the support. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. This channel is growing, and I hope that you all comment down below and let me know what type of videos that you would like to see. Okay, y'all, so let's just get into a little toothbrush, and I want to use my electric toothbrush, and we have some charcoal, supposed to be herbal toothpaste. Let's just go ahead and add some to our brush. Alright, so we got done with our toothbrush. We'll go right into our black charcoal floss. And y'all, I'm trying to do this fast because my children are up, husband up. I gotta go make breakfast. Let's just floss real quick. And y'all look, this night's gown, this bathrobe, and this outfit came from Temu. If y'all want me to do a Temu haul, let me know. I think I'm dropping a Temu haul. Alright. The mouthwash. Gloss, mouthwash. Alright, so that's done. Now let's get into our facial care. We're gonna go ahead and do a nice cleanse. We're not gonna do a face mask today. Like I say, my family is up, they need to eat, all type of stuff. So I actually already have a few of these products already out. And I'm gonna put this behind me for display. And I am thinking about teaching you all how to formulate vegan products. Let me know if y'all think I should start teaching about how to formulate these products. So this is a headband that comes inside of the box, the luxury spa box. And this is to prevent products from getting in your hair, or if you are an esthetician or something and you are working with a client and you don't want to get product in your hair, you can definitely use as you can see, we have our headband on securely. Nice secure headband. Alright, and let's get into some cleansing. So make sure that you start off with nice fresh hands. I'm gonna take my ring off. Alright. And we're gonna start with our cleanser. Isn't this pretty, y'all? Look at this bottle. Isn't this pretty? Beautiful. And this is a cleanser. Watch this. Look at this. Tru Herbal Therapy, y'all. I'm telling y'all. These are the only facial products I've been using for the last 3-4 years, since before my children were born. Let's just say that. And I have 2. Look at this nice cleanse. Nice scrub. You want to really take time to cleanse your face. And I usually like to do my neck and chest, especially if it's a day that I know that I will be wearing my neck out. I like to make sure, I mean, of course you cleanse your neck while you're in the shower, but when I do my cleanse, facial cleanse, I don't know, I just like that group in there. Oh, maybe read this one. Alright, so now let's remove this product, and we have a sponge that comes inside of the box. So, maybe the right sponge. And these sponges are reusable because this one I've been using. Just remove the product. Make sure that you're getting any excess dirt off of your face. Okay? Like I said, this is reusable, so you can just rinse this off and use it again. So, we're putting this up. Now, let's just go into our toning. So, we're toning. They say I'm taking a long time to get here. So we are toning. And go right into our serum. We're going to let the toner sit into the skin some. Serum. So this concludes a quick morning skincare routine. And this product, actually, like I said, is a part of this box. And these are the 3 products that I use today. And these are the 3 products that I use, and we are ready to go out the door. You see, we got a nice fresh face, nice fresh face, y'all, and that's it. So make sure that you all go get you a box. As you can see, it's more stuff inside of this box. This is a steamer. This is a mask bowl with a brush. This is a cleanser, a serum, and a face mask. Right? So check out Tru Herbal Therapy. We have luxury spa boxes. Everything is completely plant-based. We do not use any chemicals in these products. So check it out. Like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that you all come back and see me, okay? All right.